Hello students, welcome to my channel Math Science or Hum. Today I am going to start class 10th ICSC board. The chapter is quadratic equation. This is a very important chapter for your exam. This is our first lesson. We will discuss. Let's start. What is quadratic equation? When we write ax square plus bx plus c is an equal to 0, okay, and where a does not equal to 0 is called quadratic equation, where x is called x is called root of the equation, root of quadratic equation, okay. Root x is called root of quadratic equation, or root, or इसको we can also say solution, root or solution, okay. If let's discuss about let's discuss a question. The question is saying that show that x is equal to root 3 is the root of quadratic equation x square minus 2 root 3 x minus 9 is equal to 0. So how will solve this question? First of all, we write the question x square 2 root 3 x minus 9 is equal to 0. So if x equal to root 3 is a root of this equation, so putting the value of x in this equation, we will get solution is 0. So now put x is equal to root 3 in the equation. So write that is root 3 whole square minus 2 root 3 into root 3 minus 9. So what you will get? We will get that is 3, and that is 2 into 3 minus 9. Or here x is equal to minus 3, so it is minus 3, so that is plus, that is plus, that is plus. So that is 3 plus 2 into 3 6 minus 9, so that is 9 minus 9, so that is 0. So we can say that, so we can say, so we can say that x is equal to minus root 3 is the root of equation. Understood? Now discuss next question. Now see the second question. Find the value of k if x is 3 is the root of the equation this. So first of all, we will write the equation x square plus kx minus 54 is equal to 0. So putting the value of x in this equation, x is 3, putting x equal to 3 in equation. So what we will get? We will get that is 3 square plus k into 3 minus 54 is equal to 0. So that is 9 plus 3k minus 54 is equal to 0. So subtracting 9 from 54 we will get, let's subtract now 14 9 5 45. So 3k minus 45 is equal to 0. So 3k is equal to 45. So k is equal to 45 by 3. So k, the value of k is 15. The value of k is 15. Answer. Note down. Now let's see next question. Find the value of p and q if x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 3 are the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q. First of all, we will write the equation that is x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Okay. Now, first of all, we will put the value of x equal to 4 in equation. So putting the value of x equal to in the equation. So what we will get? We will get 4 square plus p into 4 plus q is equal to 0. So 16 plus 4p plus q is equal to 0. So what we will get? We will get 4p plus q is equal to minus का 16. This is equation first. Now put the value x is equal to minus 3 in this equation. We will get, so putting x equal to minus का, so what we will get, that is minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 into p plus q is equal to 0, that is 9 minus 3p plus q is equal to 0. So minus 3p plus q is equal to minus 9. So that is equation second. So solving this, uh, uh, solving this question equations, p plus q equal to minus 16 minus 3p plus q, that is minus 9. Subtracting, okay, what we will get, that is plus, that is 7p, that is cancel out, equal to minus 16 or plus 9, so that is minus 7. So value of p is equal to minus 1. We get the value of p is minus 1. To putting the value of p in equation second, so what we will get, we will get minus 3 minus 1 plus q is equal to minus 9 minus minus plus 3 plus q is equal to minus 9. So q is equal to minus 9 minus, so q is minus 12. So q is minus 12. P is minus 1. This is answer. Students, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel, because I am solving most important question for you. Okay, let's discuss next question. Let's discuss new question. If x is equal to 3 is the root of both equation x square plus ax plus 6 equal to 0 and bx square plus 4x minus 21, then find the value of a plus b plus ab. So first of all, we will get first equation, x square plus ax plus 6 is equal to 0, and he is saying that x is equal to 3 is the root of this equation. So putting the value of x, we will get 3 square plus a into 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. So that is 9 plus 3a plus 6 is equal to 0. So 3a is equal to 9 plus 16, 15, 15 is, so a is equal to minus 5. Okay, now we will get next equation, that is a bx square plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0, and he is saying that x by x equal to 3 is also the root of this equation. So putting the value of x, 3 square plus 4 into 3 minus 21 is equal to 0, so that is 9b, that is 12 minus 21 is equal to 0. So 9b is equal to minus 9 is equal to 0. So 9b is equal to 9. So b is equal to what? 1. Now we have to find the value of a plus b plus ab. So putting the value of a and b in this equation, we will get answer. So let's, a is equal to minus 5, b is 1, plus minus 5 into 1, that is minus 5, plus 1, that is minus 5. So that is minus 10 plus 1, that is minus 9. This is your answer. This is your answer. Now we discuss next question. Now students, I discuss next question. He's saying that if x is equal to 3 is the root of the equation x square plus mx minus 9 is equal to 0, then find the value of m. So we will write first this equation. Now we will put the value of x. So x is equal to, putting x equal to 3. So what we will get? We will get 3 square plus m3 minus 9 is equal to 0. So that is 9. That is 3m minus 9 is equal to 0. So 3m is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0. The value of m is m equal to 0. Now next question is saying that if x is equal to 3 and x minus 1 is 1, are the roots of x square plus mx plus n equal to 0, then find the value of mn. So we will solve this question step by step. So first of all we will write the question: x square plus mx plus n is equal to 0. And now putting the value x equal to 3. So that is 3 square plus m into 3 plus n is equal to 0. So that is 9. 3m plus n equal to 0. So 3m plus n equal to minus ka 9. That is equation first. Now once again putting x is equal to minus 1. So what? Minus 1 square plus m minus 1 plus n equal to 0. So that is 1 minus m plus n equal to 0. So that minus m plus n equal to minus 1. So m minus n equal to 1. This equation second. So solving this equation, these both equation, we will get 3m plus n equal to minus ka 9. So adding both, that is cancel out, that is what, 4m equal to minus 8. So m is equal to minus 2. So value of m is minus 2. Now put the value of m in equation, this equation. So m minus n equal to 1. So putting the value minus 2 minus n equal to 1. Here is in minus, then it will be in minus 2 minus 1 equal to n. So n equal to minus 3. The value of n is minus 3. M is minus 2. Write down. This is a very important question. Now last question for this session. Next question: if x is a root of both equation x square plus mx minus 15 is equal to 0 and 2x square minus 7x plus n equal to 0, then find the value of mn plus 2m minus n. This is a very important question. So first of all we will write x square plus mx minus 15 is equal to 0. So putting x is equal to 5 in this equation, we will get 5 square plus 5m minus 15 is equal to 0. So that is 25 plus 5m minus 15 is equal to 0. So 25 minus 15, that is 10, plus 10 is equal to 0. So 5m equal to minus 10. So m is minus 2. Now put the value of x equal to 5 in this equation. First of all, we will write 2x square minus 7x plus 9 is equal to 0. So x is 2 to 5 square, 7 into 5 plus n is equal to 0. That is 25 into 2, that is 50, and 35 plus n is equal to 0. तो 35 में 50 में 35 गया 15, so n is equal to minus 15. So putting these value of m and n in mn plus 2m minus n, we will get answer. The value of m is minus 2, n is minus 15 plus 2, m की value minus 2, n is minus 15. So that is and that is minus 15, minus into minus 15. Okay, so that is 30, that is minus 4, and that is plus 15, that is plus 15. Okay, we can write this like this. Okay, so that is 45 minus 4, that is 41. ओके, सो आई होप बच्चों आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आए होंगे. ठीक है, इफ़ यू आर न्यू आर सब्सक्राइबर ऑफ माय चैनल, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. ओके, because I will provide you a lot of questions for your exams. Thank you.